running without you. Make your business run without you. Sounds impossible for a home inspection business, right? Well, it's not. Start with simple tasks. Can someone schedule your inspections for you instead of you? Can someone else handle your marketing or social media posts tonight instead of you? Can someone else do the ancillary inspections like the radon pickups instead of you? Every task you systematize is one step closer to freedom. The most valuable inspection businesses can run without their founder. That's what business buyers or investors look for. And that's what gives you true freedom. So do this right now. List 3 tasks that you do regularly in your inspection business that someone else could do with the proper training. Create a simple checklist for one of them today. For more home inspection business and marketing tips, visit us at nachi.org.